What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. And before we get into the video, what I need you to do is I need you to like this video. I need you to ring the notification bell and I need you to subscribe to the channel. And the reason I need you to do all of those things is because I make YouTube videos teaching you how to make money online and becoming an online entrepreneur. And the beautiful thing about making money online is that there is no limit to how much you could make. There is no kind of, strings attached. There's no one, over your shoulder. You are only responsible for you and yourself. And that is the beautiful way to be making money online. So that gives you kind of a financial freedom that you don't have anywhere else when you're working a regular job. And, if you're looking to make a, part-time income, just making some side money and saving up for a couple things, then this is indeed the right video for you. And if you are looking to have a full-time income of making money online, then you should definitely, watch to this video because I'm going to get into that afterwards. I usually try to make all of my content applicable to wherever you are in your online business life. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to teach you how to make money just by typing on Google. And this is, for the folks that are lazy out there, not you. I'm saying how we're going to make money. People are lazy. People have a lot of things going on as well. They don't have time for the small things, and they are willing to pay out to get some tasks off of their table, some tasks off of their to-do list, just so they have more time to, do things that they're much more concerned about. And that's great for us because it allows us to, fill that void and monetize ourselves and make some money doing that. So we're going to head over to this website. And this website is called Ask Wonder. Okay. Ask Wonder is a place where you can become a researcher. So you can actually get paid by answering questions that companies have. And the way that works is large corporations or even smaller startups always are researching. They're constantly researching. You need information in order to create products and create revenue that's going to work for you. So what they do is they'll ask a bunch of questions. They'll have a problem in a meeting and they'll say, how can we provide for this particular group of people, or how can we get this going, or what kind of product do we need to come out with in next season or summer or whatever the case may be. And they need to ask these questions, and obviously they are very, very busy building products and building content and building platforms. They don't really have time to always put in the effort to finding the answers to these questions, to make their content and their product as best as they possibly can, to make sure that it's successful once it hits the market. And that's great. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. They have a lot of things going on. That's where we come in, and that's where places like Ask Wonder come in. This is a 100% free website that you don't have to have any prior experience for. You don't have to have any kind of, background. As long as you know how to type in Google, you could be making money doing this. So they have, this is for the layout you're looking at right now is for businesses. This is what businesses see when they come. We're going to get to our section, the section we're more concerned about a little later in the video. But I want to walk through this a little bit just to show you exactly what you will be getting into. So a business comes here and they make themselves an account, and they have the ability to upload question after question after question on Ask Wonder, and the question is prompted to the freelancers on this website, and that's what you're going to be considered. You're going to be considered a freelancer. So that's what this is all about. And they, provide a fast turnaround. This is what they sell to the businesses or the companies that sign up: a fast turnaround, unlimited scale, meaning you can ask as many questions as you possibly can. And hassle-free. They make it really easy. And it is a really straight to the point platform that you don't have to worry about. These are some of the businesses or corporations that, come here. You have Goodyear, you have Bloomberg, Staples. These are prominent, highly successful businesses that use this platform. So I would suggest that you just consider this highly reputable. I wouldn't show you anything that's sketchy, and stuff like this is exactly how folks are running their business these days. They have testimonials, which is great. I love Wonder. It's like having an on-demand personal graduate level Ivy League research assistant who never sleeps. I primarily use Wonder for work related questions, but also when they need a weekend itinerary. So this is great because you're not always going to be asked questions about marketing and businessy things. Sometimes you just need to know, hey, how can I find the best hotel to stay in Las Vegas, or how can I do this, or how can I do that? They have great stuff like that as well on here. So I would suggest you get started and just because they have more, but we won't go through it. We won't go through everything. Who is this for? This is for consultancies, agencies, finances. These are predominantly the people that come here. You think of a consultant, you think of someone that you just berate with questions. Say how can I do this, or what can I do about that? Or a consultant is someone who knows more than you in a particular field. And definitely this is a place you want to do that. We're gonna get to these questions in a second, but actually let's get to them right now. These are kind of the questions that they ask. These are just an example of what questions are asked on this website. A company might come in here and they'll say, how many pints of Guinness are consumed on St. Patrick's Day in New York City? Now, they might be a beer company. They might be, a company where they, sell a fleet of, different varieties. They may be, a straight to your door type of beer company. And, they make a lot of money on St. Patrick's Day. Every business has, their seasons where, okay, holidays, we're going to make a lot of money. St. Patrick's Day, we're a beer company. People drink on that day often. So yes, let's figure out how much Guinness we should prepare for that so we can make as much profit as possible. And this is a question that you would get, and you would get paid to go ahead and answer this question. Now, I'll show you exactly how easy this is. All you would have to do is you would have to go to Google and you just take this, you take this and you copy this, you paste it into Google, and boom, they're giving you the answer. This is how much. This is how much Guinness is consumed on St. Patrick's Day. And you would, you can click this article, you can copy some of the phrasing or, the context you want to write, in your own words to make it a little bit more personable. You don't want to straight copy it off the internet. But, this is the answer. So you would take this answer and you would go back to, Ask Wonder, submit it, and once the company approves and they've given, the proper feedback, you get paid from that. And you do all kinds of things. They have, list, please share a list of pharmaceutical patents expiring within the next 5 years. So you would then go to Google, type in, pharmaceutical patents that expire within the next 5 years. Type that in, go to Google, find that answer, bring it back to Wonder, and, submit it. And it's really that easy as long as you know how to use Google. Some of the questions are a bit more complicated. It require a little bit more, legwork. But for the most part, you're going to get questions under 5 minutes. It's going to take you less than 5 minutes to find the answers to all of these. They ask insights and trends. They ask for a bunch of stuff. So this is how you could make easy money. You could do this for, maybe a couple hours a day, and you could be making more money than some people on minimum wage, if you do it the right way and if you're good at it. And it's also, great to learn. You're going to learn as you do this, as you go on. So it's one of those things to where, you're not doing it just for the money. You're doing it because, one, it's easy. One, is for the money. Two, you actually learn things. You have things you can take with you in the real world. Because I'm like, oh man, I know that this is how much people drink on St. Patrick's Day, and it's just like a fun fact for at the bar, at parties and stuff like that. So again, we're still in the place to where businesses see. We haven't gotten to where we want to go yet. Let's just go ahead and go down there. This is where they start charging the businesses. We don't have to pay for anything. So let's just go all the way to the bottom. That's where you want to go. And it says, earn while you learn. Join our team as a research analyst. You want to go here. All right. And once you go there, this is the platform they're going to see. So earn money using your brain, work when you want, expand your resume and your mind. Work when you want is probably the best part about this entire process, is the fact that you can literally do this whenever you feel like it. There is no kind of, hourly rate. There isn't a deadline for anything. You're going to go to this website. You're going to find content that they need all the time. They rarely ever run out of things that people are looking for, and then you'll be set. You'll be set for a while. It's really, really good stuff. So you can work whenever you want. You go here, fill out this form. They'll send you an email saying, hey, you've been accepted. Honestly, there's no reason you don't get accepted to this. So yeah, go ahead, fill it in. It takes a little while for them to look over it, and you can get started. They recommend a product or services. These are just the questions that you're gonna receive. The questions that we saw are on the first page. They'll email you when work is available. And you find the answer. You submit your work, and that's it. It's a really, really cohesive, really easy platform to get started on. I strongly suggest it for everyone. The only downfall is that you have to keep coming back to this. You have to keep finding work. And if you would rather have money come to you, I would personally suggest, this isn't scalable. You can't make a full-time living doing this. This is really part-time work, which is fine. It's honest part-time work. But if you are trying to, make a living and have a full-time income online, what I suggest you do is you click the link in my description. And it's the first link in my description. That's going to take you to what my number one recommendation for making money online is. That's going to give you the business side of things and let you know exactly how to create a business that works, a business that you can scale online. So do that. Like this video. Ring the notification bell so you know when I'm dropping videos, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you watch the other videos here, and you may find another method that you enjoy. My name is Make Money Malik, and I will see you next time. Peace.